Road's still pretty dry here. Looks like a safe spot to pull over, preferably away from those power lines. Okay, not a good place to pull over because we are next to power lines.
I think it's getting dark. It's time to go.
Okay.
Toboggan. Oh yeah.
Jacobs, go straight.
Yep.
They're running from the store.
Oh, that's normally how fast people drive.
Hey, shh. This is for viewers.
Yeah, this is for our viewers.
I'm not kidding.
This is for our viewers. Yeah.
Holy shit!
Wow, there's one up there. You just missed a big fucking
And it was
ball.
right behind your head, dude.
It was fucking
And
big.
we're pulling over. Ow, ow. Oh. Oh, Canada. Oh, we got a beautiful shot of it.
It's not gonna last long. We're only gonna be able to sit here for a minute or less. Fuck, honey, open my door.
Open your door.
Yes, open my door. Grab the camera. Don't let her get rained on the camera.
Oh no! My camera's allowed to hold this. This is why I bought it.
You bought that just to try and film a tornado? Alright, if that thing gets wet and gets dry, go come trying to me and say,
Oh, fuck you, Mike.
Serious?
Get the shit out of my spot. Ow! I always have to ruin my fun.
All that driving is already hard for us. Don't get out of the rain, don't pass the horn, does it?
Wah! So, always has to be so.
Back on the dirt road.
Jacobs Road! Bob's Road!
Bob's Road.
This is like Bob's Road. We're watching that movie, right, when we get home? So you have it on tape, right?
I can use my feet.
We're totally. Ow, ow, ow. One move.
Jacobs Road is gonna go and turn, and there's gonna be a right, and we're gonna go that way, and that brings us straight on.
And would you swear that in court? You are on candid camera.
Oh no, there's a road to the left that we want to take.
It's like a hill.
Oh, it's up there, right? No, it's to the dead. I know where the fuck we are.
Can you tell they're brothers? I can.
I know where we are. Too.
I know where we aren't.
Hey, but we're on Jacobs Road.
We're in Bob's Road.
It's like Bob's Road or something.
See, with this, you get the good feel of the bumpity bumps. Of the bumpity bumpity bumps. And that is the stop sign.